program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Franklin County, last seen at 836 Vista Drive in the city of Gahanna on Monday, February 10th, 2014. The suspect is believed to be driving a gray Mitsubishi Lancer 4-door with North Carolina plates VCY 6857. The child's name is Ella Barnhart, age 5, a white female, 4 feet 0 inches tall, weighing 50 pounds, with brown hair and green eyes. The child was last seen wearing a red, white, and blue plaid shirt, navy blue leggings, and a white coat with fur trim. The suspect's name is Nicholas Barnhart, a white male, approximately 32 years old, with brown hair, approximately 6 feet tall. Please call 1-877-AMBER-OH or 1-877-262-3764 or dial 911 if you see the child, the suspect, or the suspect's vehicle. This concludes this emergency alert system message.